Every project is a blank canvas when it comes in my door.
We've been going bigger from the start, yeah. Keep it way up, going down and leave a mark, yeah. Rip it up, boy, tear it apart, yeah. Open up that mouth and let it bark, yeah. Cause they don't know how we do it. We ride it now. Keep it up right now or lose it. We ride, never stay down. Gotta stay around to prove it. We ride it now. Keep it up right now or lose it. We ride, never stay down.
Always start with the center point. The center point is the seat. We can get you any type of leather that you want. I like to see bikes with nice custom seats. You can come in anytime. You don't need an appointment to come in and get an estimate from Ride City. You name it, we can get it. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and we can definitely take care of you.
We've been going bigger from the start, yeah. Keep it way up, going down and leave a mark, yeah. Rip it up, boy, tear it right apart, yeah. Open up that motherfucker, let it bark, yeah. Cause they don't know how we do it. We ride it now. Keep it up right now or lose it. We ride, never stay down. Gotta stay around to prove it. We ride it now. Keep it up right now or lose it. We ride, never stay down.
I learned this business from my dad. I love upholstery. I would have never been here if it wasn't for him. If you're not happy, we're gonna make you happy, or you don't pay for it. My friends call me Diddy. Once you leave here, you'll call me Diddy too.
We've been going bigger from the start, yeah. Keep it way up, going down and leave a mark, yeah. Rip it up, boy, tear it right apart, yeah. Open up that mouth, let it bark, yeah. Cause they don't know how we do it. We ride it now. Keep it up right now or lose it. We ride, never stay down. Gotta stay around to prove it. We ride it now. Keep it up right now or lose it. We ride, never stay down. We ride it now.
I want people to always remember that Ride City, no matter how big or small the job is, how much, if it's a $5 job or a $5,000 job, that we treated everybody equally. We gave everybody the same attention to detail, and we always put out a quality product.